Abuchi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Onny, Onny is not well. I think something is wrong. Abuchi, don't look happy at all.
He didn't even respond to our greetings.
Onny, Biko, let's go. See, this water is very heavy.
Not everybody wish you well. Not everybody wants your progress. I know not get you. I know not get you.
I was actually going to your house. You thief. Criminal. Criminal. But you know, today, we'll finish ourselves. If you don't kill me, I'll kill you. Where am I, Nchi? Or you go to steal from me?
Abuchi.
Eh?
Abuchi.
Aguba.
It is obvious that you have not taken your medications. I'm going to say taking Arabia. A madman.
Bomonyala.
It's Bonyala.
I go see Konyala se mekita.
Oh, nyame. Small body no be business. Bring it on. Johnny Ganga, bring it on. Bring it on. What's all that troublemaker? Bring it on. And you Onya. Obia.
I'll fight you.
Benji, leave the way.
I'll fight you.
Benji, I'm not coming now. Chita to be there. I want to I go for your ball. Yeah, but that was no one in a talk too much. No one. Benji, I beat two people at that time. I don't like this one. I beat two people at that time. I'll fight you. I derive joy doing that. You're a good man. You are a good man. But don't forget you are a good man. Who is a good man? An evil man. No one. Oh no. Hey. Uncle on the mayor. He's just your savior.
He's your savior.
Savior. Who?
Because
Benji. I'm not doing nothing. Benji. Who is my savior? Anyway,
this guy's not here. But you know what? I'll get my slippers.
I'm not jobless like you.
I'll catch you next time. Next time, nobody will save you. Nobody will be on this road to save us.
No problem.
Iburom Ngwogi. Anumano.
No problem.
API. If recorded, I'll get you. Don't worry. Inezunchim. If you don't provide that inchi, I'll thief you.
Abuchi, don't mind him.
Abuchi, don't mind him. He's a troublemaker. Don't mind him. Sorry, oh.
Can you imagine? Huh? Now how are you?
I'm fine, oh, my brother.
But you said we will not stop them now.
You don't stop them.
They'll kill themselves now. I can't just fold my hands watching him stealing from my trap. Although possible. Also, Manyanchi. Yeah? Onyambata no Zulu. What kind of nonsense is that now? If not for that wine tapper that saw him stealing from my trap, he would have denied it, that nothing happened. Huh?
Is Aguba still with this, his stealing attitude? Eh?
The truth is that it will not end like this. It will never end like this. Do you understand? He must pay for that. If Aguba did not pay for that, Nchi, know that my name is not Abuchi.
Abuchi, I am solidly behind you on this. Whatever you want to do to him, do it. Go ahead. That idiot has done so much. Full of evil.
Anyways, Abuchi, if you ask me, I will say, just let it go. Forget it. I mean, you're better off than him. You're a better hunter. You're doing well. It is only whom you are better off than what I will steal from you.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Okay? He must pay me that 5,000 naira for that Nchi. Else, he will have me to contend with.
I thought Okenwa would have taken Aguba back to the city as he was lamenting then, bragging that Okenwa is coming to take me to the city.
Not take all of the mother to the city.
He did not, oh. Yes, he did not. What will he be doing there? Wants to go to the city and disgrace his village people.
What is he doing here now?
Doing evil, of course. Yes. Not bull ever.
Hey. Do you like whiskey?
So baby, I'll be going back to the city and coming back real quick to do the traditional rites before any other thing. I don't want the pregnancy to become obvious and people start talking.
Yes. I can't wait as well, baby. My stomach is growing by the day.
And I hope my baby's kicking well. I'm going to be a father soon.
Yes, same here. Can't wait.
And guess what? It's going to be a boy.
No, she's a girl.
No, it's going to be a boy.
Baby, she's a girl.
A boy.
Stop it! She's a girl.
It's fine, I'll just pull your legs, alright?
It's okay, baby.
Be it a boy. Be it a boy or a girl. I can't wait to welcome them to this world. I love you.
You know I love you too.
Come on.
Abuji, look at this idiot. Abuji, you must pay for that. You lifted me up. You lifted me. I will lift you again. And slammed me on the ground. I will slam you again. I will slam you again. The youth leader. Youth leader. Wait, youth leader that steals. Wait, I want to ask you a question. So the two of you are fighting over Uchi. He has been stealing from my trap. You are the thief. This is the third time. How much is the G? I'll pay. It's 35,000. I will pay. No, pay what? Pay who? Pay this evil man. Oh. Pay this evil man. This man is evil. Do you know this Abuchi has been sleeping with your wife? Do you know the painful part of it? I'll tell you. Is that he does it without condom. Hey. My wife! Do you have proof to this? Eh? What kind of nonsense? Proof. Evidence choke. Evidence choke. You are accusing me. Accusing you? Are you believing this idiot? Who is an idiot? You are the idiot. Obidike, let me now tell you. This guy, it's a lie. It's a lie. You understand? This guy extended his sanitizer in the bedroom. All I heard was Obidike. Go to your house. Search your wife's phones. Agoba, do you have a proof? Proof? For where? How? Evidence soak. Accusing me? Evidence soak. Go to your house now. Search your wife's phone. You will see their escapades. Elephant style, dog there, pick a pea. Don't tell your mother. Stay like if you want to rig election. All the positions. Hey. When you were here, was your wife pregnant? No. Now, 9 months pregnant, about to deliver. Hand the work of food. Abuchi. Hey! Oh, you're the big book. My wife! Oh, read him with your wife. Hey! Okay. Are you believing this? Okay. Shift because. Where is that fool? Where is that idiot that go accept my wife? Where are you? Hey! Hey! Chineke! Hey! Look me! Oh, you think I don't know? Huh? See, all your secret affairs has been exposed! Hey!
Baby, stop this thing you are saying. The joke is expensive. I'm pregnant too.
Pregnant for who?
For you. This joke is...
Hey! Stop it. Okay, you think I don't know? Eh? Listen. Agoba just said it openly in Village Square. This baby is not my child. You are having an affair with Abuchi. Abuchi, my friend. Hey!
Baby, that's a lie.
What is a lie?
Abuchi, how? It's not possible. Let me tell you, I've never thought of cheating on you at all. Abuchi is a good friend.
Let me tell you something. If you think I left this village for the city, for you to be mingling and sleeping around with Abuchi, and this is the result, you want to target on me? Eh? Because now, I will take my cash. You want to target on me, Abi?
No, my love,
you have failed.
Don't allow her.
You have failed!
No.
You're leaving this house today.
How?
You're leaving this house today.
What did I do?
It's not going to end like this. You're leaving my house today. You're leaving my house. Now, go back to your stepmother. This marriage is over. And you're not going to live with anything. Only that Ghana must go you came here with is what you're living with.
No!
Hey, don't!
Tell her, let me explain. Obi, tell her. Agoma, you have killed me, oh, baby. My love, tell her. Obi, baby, I did not cheat on you. I did not even think about it. That did not come to my head. I don't want no more to be here. Obi, baby, remember I'm pregnant though. This is not good for pregnant.
Let me not come back here and meet you here. If you know what is good for you, live now that you're still alive. Because if I come back here and meet you, hey.
Hey, mama, tell her where to come. I'm everywhere.
Mama, you needed to see his face when I broke the news publicly.
Hey, Kashabara catapult.
He did not utter a word. He was dumbfounded. Mama, do you know what he did? He left his car and ran away. I know by now, Udoka will be on her way to your house.
Hey!
Udoka alala with her female.
Hey! This is the best news I've ever heard.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That sounds alright. Yes. In her next life, even in this life, she will learn how to respect her elders. Yes. She thought I have forgiven her for going against my wishes and my orders. Shall we? Let it not be that she's coming here.
Will she come to my house? She's coming to the house.
Here? There is no room for her here. No roof over her head here. Because I will not accept that. Yes.
If there is no roof over her head here, that means that she will have no other option than to come to my house.
Ain't too much.
I can't wait.
I got a sign. You are my potential in-law.
So it is safe to say now that we are in-laws.
Potential in-law.
Oh, potential in-law.
My potential in-law. You want to go?
Mommy, with her female.
So what?
I don't mind.
See, you see that Udoka and her supporters. This is the beginning. They must suffer in my hands. Panakama, Haga suffer. I will not give them any rest. There will be no peace for them. Faga suffer. Faga who here? Hey.
Let them suffer, but let Udoka be mine. They can suffer.
So what?
I'm going to be even my love and her female.
I'm going to have female. Lori, at one time, prepare. We will celebrate it. Hey! Hey! Here Nachu Nicole, Kayem Nukal. I'm a checking. I know that she will not come here. She will not. Hey! Hey! My enemies.
Hey! Hey! It's okay. Hey! Hey! I did not cheat on my husband. Heaven and earth knows that I did not cheat on my husband. I did not do it. I got the altar. I did not.
Udo, I know you did not do it. I trust you so much. I've been with you all this while. And there's no way this kind of thing will happen and I will not know. Right?
Not do it.
No, Abuchi, are you sure? Or is this just mere accusations, huh? Abuchi, talk to me!
Abuchi, are you sure? Are you asking me, am I sure, or are you wanting to know, or something? Yeah, how can I be sleeping with my friend's wife? I can't even do that to an outsider. Talk more of my friend's wife. Or how I doesn't care again? Eh? Hi.
Why is all this happening now? Why? Hey.
Don't even do that to another person. Talk more of my friend. Obidiki, my friend, whom I take as my brother.
She didn't do it.
I swear I did not do it.
No.
I did not.
Why is all these things happening now? Why?
Why? I did not cheat on you. You know me. You know me too.
Mom, I know you did not do it.
I did not connect. I did not cheat on my husband.
No.
Can't even do that to an outsider. Talk more of my friend's my friend's wife.
Sit down.
Yeah?
I did not do it though.
It's okay.
I did not do it.
Yourself, please. Try to hurt yourself now. Okay, please.
I did not cheat on my husband. I
know you did not do it.
I can't do water. But I did not do it. But you know.
Don't talk me, please, before they come and catch me and answer.
Mama Vico, please, I don't have anywhere else to go. Vico.
What are you still doing here? I told you that you will not step your foot into this house again. I don't want you to step your foot here. Even if I'm dead and you come into this house, I must wake up from the dead and make sure that you will go out. What is this? Carry this useless thing and get out of here. And I say, Mama Vico, who is your mother? You don't know who your mother is.
Mama, are you for
what is
real? Are you for real? This woman husband just sent her out of the house and she needs just a place, a roof under her head. What is all this for? Please just allow her.
That is the more reason she should live here. Because I told her to marry Agoba. She refused. Made herself so cheap. She opened her legs for Obidike, that useless Obidike. Now this is the result. And she wants to come here. I told her that from the day she decided to marry Obidike, that was the day I decided that nothing in this life will make us come across each other again. Anything that connects the two of us was disconnected that day. So get out of here. Get out of here.
Hey, Mama.
Eh?
It's not fair.
Osungono. Hey, Gini. Asu. Whatever they call you. Asu. Why would you put your useless mouth into this matter? This is a family matter. They have not even married you. You are doing hey, Mama. As a sister-in-law, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, what? I have always told you that I don't want you in this house. So get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here because this is a family matter. Don't dare me, oh. Don't dare me before I say when I'm going to go out. Get out of here. Carry yourself. Get out. Go out. Wherever you come from, go there. The only reason I'm leaving you is because of that bastard. That bastard in your womb. I want to talk. Get your useless self out of here. Hey! Stop this. Are you still there? Get out of here. Mama. Get out of here! Carry that useless thing and get out! Carry it!
Mama, Biko.
Biko what? As your mother, you don't know your mother. If they throw your mother on the ground, you won't recognize her. Eh? Carry it! Oh, you can't carry it. Oh yeah. Carry it. Go! Look at you! Useless, shameless, worthless, stupid girl. Go there! I know of you. You know how to jahele. You don't know how to maintain your house. Stop. Don't stop me. It's a packet and go. I said, get out of my house now. Go! I know of you.
Listen to me.
It's a Kambaya looking. It's a Kambaya looking thing. Dima, what are you still doing?
Mama.
Get out of here! I have been telling you that I don't want you in my house. You know, Abiakwa, why you want to put your nonsense mouth into your family matter. Now, Pastor Ogi, let me see you inside my house. You will see what I'm doing.
One day, the gods of our land will get angry and start killing everybody one after the other. Nananya.
Yes, so the saint we know is not the saint we see. And infidelity is the worst sin from a married woman.
Don't tell me you people believe this nonsense story.
What do you mean? Everything happened in our own very eyes. Why won't we believe?
And Abuchi was there. He didn't even say a word. He could not even deny it.
Oh.
No wonder. So the popular singer who sang "Nobody is Perfect" at the back was actually passing a message. So this is how you people will believe if I was the one in Udoka's shoe. We all know that Aguba is the enemy here. And he promised to spoil Udoka's marriage, and that is what he just did. Udoka needs us now more than ever as her friends to stand by her.
Yeah.
Oh, what am I even doing here? With you people.
What am I doing? See, let her go. As long as I'm concerned, I will never support evil in my life.
Here. Me, IJ, I won't support it. I know they support it. Take, let's go, Joe.
I will not support evil. I will not.
My word has finished. My word has finished. I'm only waiting for this to kill me. Hey, I won't be
It's okay, this is not the end of your life. Obidike needs to know the truth, and I will go tell him the truth.
But it's too late. Is she going to believe you? No, that should just come and kill me. And my unborn child, I'm very
God forbid! How will such nonsense be coming out from your mouth? See, if anything happens to you and this baby, I will carry your body personally and go and throw it into the evil forest. What kind of a mother are you? The type of mother that would welcome the baby with joy and watch him or her grow up, or the type that would kill the child before he or she is born?
The one that's killed me.
I'm not going to entertain this your evil thoughts, Udoka. I am going to stick with you till the end.
Ne, how is she?
Better than before. She's sleeping.
Hey. What have I done wrong in all this? Eh? How would they ever think that I'll have something to do with Udoka? Eh? That lady in there is innocent. She doesn't deserve what she's getting from Obidike. She deserves better.
Abuchi, I know that the news is all over the village. But what you should be asking is how many people believe this story? I, for one, I know that you did not do it. And I can swear with my life to prove your innocence. Yes. We know who is who in this village and you are not among them.
Thank you. Thank you. At least, oh God, at least you've given me hope. Even if I die today, I know one person. I have one person that will speak for me.
Why are the both of you talking about death? If you die now, who will lose? People will think what Aguba said is true.
Okay.
And both of you need to come together and fight this cause. Let me be going. I'll come in the evening and check on her. Chisike.
Thank you. Oh. Hey. It's a bon one. At least even if I buy today, even if I buy now, one person, I have one person that will speak for me. Hey.
Must you believe every rumor? I'm before Buna Warogi Water. Ijefuzi no sisi puchiru sonanara bama. Obana wate suroke obasasi oku. Not everybody wish you well. Not everybody wants your progress. I know na kechuku. I know na kechuku. Ndinti serika. Ndimmebi rika. Don't fall for that trap. Don't fall for that trap. Oponye welu goneju mwane mohoko kamjuo. Kasiri wata bupu aje. Asiya no yerendi mo. Can't you be reason?
The Sagoba is a bad person. Whereas they are the ones committing all the atrocities in this village. Eh? I want you to see this for yourself. Abuchi! Hey! Where is Abuchi? Yes! Abuchi! Come out here! Huh? Abuchi, come out here! I'm sure. Something in me tells me that Abuchi is in here. Servicing your wife's carburetor. Hey! Hi! You see? Eh? You see what I was saying? Eh? She's a prostitute. I said it.
So this is true.
Igwe must hear this. Igwe must what? Hear this.
Oh yes.
Where is Udoka? Hey!
She's sleeping.
Oh! You see? Ichie, I go by a liar. Ichie, you see? When I said I am not the one responsible for her pregnancy, you all thought I was blabbing. Okay. Now see, she's inside there sleeping with Abuchi. Hey!
Where is Abuchi?
Hey! Bring him out now. Let's stone him to death.
Ginika, did you sleep here?
Yes, with Udoka.
You slept where? Yo, a pathological liar. A pathological liar. Eh? I know you're lying. It's obvious. You are trying to cover things. It's obvious. You are trying to cover things. Why will
I lie?
Why won't you lie?
Youth leader in the affairs of married people.
I am the youth leader. I take care of everything in this village.
Yes. You take care and scatter. You are busy scattering other people's relationship. That's why you are still single. Wife, Inwero. Girlfriend, Inwero.
Boyfriend.
See, for your information, Abuchi did not sleep here last night.
Onyase. Abuchi, the kind of love they made here yesterday, I think this by now this foundation will be very weak. Odroko na tengunye mmado. Abuchi, mperiko.
Ichie, Abuchi did not sleep here last night. He allowed us to sleep here since Udoka's stepmother refused to accept her.
Good Samaritan.
No. Where is Abuchi?
Abuchi went.
I am here.
Look at him.
What's going on? Ginika, what's going on here?
It's not Agoba that is saying you slept with Udoka.
I am surprised the way this fool here is misleading all of you. And you're following him and believing in him.
Why would they believe me?
Eh? How can you believe, Aguba, that I have something to do with it?
And you went as Zonto. Abuji, you are a man down below. Do
you know what? Eh? I am ready to go to the shrine of Ajani and swear.
Yes.
I and Udoka, we are ready to come to the shrine of Ajani and swear.
Good.
And I'm ready to swear specifically that if I've ever had something to do with Udoka, or if I've ever seen her nakedness, not even talk more of having sex with her, I will swear.
Okay.
And I'm ready to swear on that here and now. But be ready too to swear and tell the truth and also say whatever you're saying here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Udoka is
so
ready.
we are ready.
Yes. He will swear. Aguba say something. Aguba I think it's out there. We're going to swear for the truth to be out in public. Yes, say something. Aguba will swear.
He's not saying anything.
I trust you. I know you are the only one telling me the truth. I will swear. You will swear. I will swear. Aguba will swear.
Aguba, you swear?
Yes.
Okay, that's all right.
We will swear. We will swear.
It's all right. It's all right. That's all right. In that case, I'm leaving here right now, straight to the palace. To tell the Igwe what we have agreed on.
Yes.
But I want you to know the consequences of lying before the great Ajani.
Oh.
The consequence is what? Death. What did I say?
Death.
I'm ready to buy my coffin and Udoka's own. But be ready to buy your own coffin.
Yes.
In my measurement at Batiozuga, where? Just get ready.
Yes, no problem. I will buy Aguba's coffin. Ichie, go and get a date. I will buy Aguba's coffin. They will swear.
Okay. Aguba, you have agreed to swear.
I want it now.
You want it now? No problem. I want all of you to go. Let her stay. Then I will go and talk to the Igwe. Let us discuss and he will give me the date. That date I will come back and tell you people.
Boy, I want go and get the date. Agoba, let's go and get your measurement of coffin. You swear? I will swear. Yes, we will swear. I trust you. What's all this?
Agoba, you must swear.
It is dead.
Abuchi, no problem. Just as you have agreed to swear. One of you will swear.
Aguba,
But don't worry. Okay.
Udoka should better confess and stay alive to give birth to her child than accepting swearing before Igwe Kanu. That is suicide.
No. Something tells me that she is innocent.
Eh?
Yes. It's only a fool who doesn't know that standing before Igwe Kanu is death. Left alone lying.
Udoka is as guilty as charged. Abuchi is responsible for her pregnancy. That is the truth.
You know what? I don't know who to believe now.
Believe me, no. Believe me, oh. I'm telling you the truth. Believe me.
He's cheating and doing nothing. He only went too far by sending her out.
I just wish she accepts him back after all that.
Now tell me, if you were in his shoes, wouldn't you do the same?
Come on. When I'm married to you, I cannot leave you in this village for one day.
Agoba, it seems you're scared of the old taking.
Scared? Monka scared. How is that possible? Agoba then got scared. Agoba the old taker. I'm not. No.
You know what?
Scared. Can't be scared.
I believe everything you told me about her. You know when you said I should go and look into her phone?
Yes.
That you have evidences.
Yeah.
I went through her phone.
Okay.
I saw pictures and videos of her and Abuchi. Abuchi was holding her waist, caressing her, all in the name of teaching her how to shoot gun.
You see?
Looking at the pictures and videos alone, you know that there's something between these two.
You didn't go deeper. You did not go deeper. If you had gone deeper, you would have seen their sex tape. Like I told you earlier on, style only. It will take you like 45 years to get to the level in Abuchi. He destroyed your wife. He disfigured her. Sexually. I feel like crying for you, but you know, men do not cry for you. You see, this thing has been happening even before you left this village. I know.
Before I left this village?
I know.
Why didn't you tell me?
No. I wanted to be sure. I told me with the red-handed until I caught them. Why is she? I'm very, very sorry for you. I feel your pain. I do.
Now I know why she hates you.
Oh, yeah, like a Bobrogo.
Whenever I said anything about Agoba, she would say, hey, leave Agoba.
Because I know her secret.
Nonsense human being. That useless.
I know her secret. Hi! I know her secret. You know women, they hate you when they find out you know their secret. I know her secret. I know her sex escapades with Abuchi.
Udoka.
Udoka.
Women are not meant to be trusted.
They are scum. Women.
I was fighting you all the time.
You thought I was the one. Grazing, you know.
I thought you were the real enemy.
You didn't know it was Abuchi?
It was Abuchi.
With Ihogologe. Hey! Painful part of it. Only with him. You thought I was the one. Working in your wife's vineyard. Tending her garden. Even though I'm a garden tender anyway. But I did not. Because of, you know, what we have together. You're my friend. Look at Abuchi. You're trusted.
Hey! Munyem. I trusted her.
You did.
Hey! Kamberi Malcolm.
Mbrogo Mebe. And the kind of style you didn't give her. Abuchi, master of all.
Kamberi Mezia.
Wait. So she agreed to go to the shrine to swear?
Not only her. It was even Abuchi that suggested we take the auto. It was Abuchi.
There is no problem. I will take it off from there. Like I said earlier, I will give you Ndabuyi to take. If you take it, case closed.
Mama, I'm banking on the Ndabuyi. Not that I'm scared though, but I'm just a little bit scared.
Little bit? Remove the little bit, keep it at home. Be a man. Be strong.
I'm a man.
You see that in Ndabuyi? Hey, it finishes everything. It's just like when you know that you did something and they ask you to swear. You swear, you go and eat shit. They will be seeing you as shit. They won't see you as a human being. So, that's the work of Ndabuyi.
So Ndabuyi is shit?
Something like that, but it's not shit.
I'm banking on you. I'm banking on you.
You have nothing to fear.
Just a little bit scared, like I said.
Okay, we're a little bit scared. Are you not a man again?
I go back then. I'm a man.
So why should you be a little bit scared?
Sometimes I'm a little bit scared.
Only believe in them sometimes. So bad. Don't be.
Where's she? Where does to be your my sister? Where is you? Okay, no problem. Forget that job.
calm down. What's happening?
No. You. Nothing. Okay, wait. Agoba. I'm here.
What's the meaning of this?
No.
What is it? Okay, one.
See. Agoba, see, this is not the enemy. Natati is not the enemy. Even Mama here is not the enemy. The only enemy here is you, Abuchi. But Chidi here supported him against me. You, Chidi. You. No. Agoba, you got it all wrong. You see, Chidi is only doing what Abuchi asked him to do. The only enemy is Abuchi.
Listen to Agoba.
Chidi is a good man. Abuchi is evil. Don't worry. Chidi is a good man. No, he's a good man. Don't worry. You see, Abuchi is not in my trap. Amen. I'm a good one. Organa, take it easy. Organa. Cool down. Mama, there's no problem.
It's not for the respect I have for you and the love I have for my woman.
Everything is under control now. I've settled everything.
What nonsense?
Organa, don't cry. Rich men don't cry. I'm on feet in the dark. Don't cry. You're a rich man. Everything is in order. Fine. I'm here. The peacemaker is here. Nothing to worry about. I'm here, Mama. I'm here. It's okay. Mama, it's okay. I'm here. It's okay.
Must you believe every rumor?
Hey! They said Okenwa is a bad man, but that's not the case. I might be jealous and envious because I'm woman. But to say I'm a bad man is a lie. You see, I am very, very happy. I am happy for this day. You know, I am happy that we have finally resolved our differences. We are not like one big family.
Sure.
Chida, you can go ahead with your marriage plans. You see Okenwa here, we give his support.
100%.
Thank you so much.
You don't want to go without chairs?
No, not the time.
Don't worry, I am the chairs. Thank you so much, Aguba. And thank you also, Okenwa.
Yes, sir.
And also thanks to the gods for making today possible. Today is a day to be remembered. And I would go ahead with the marriage plans. Because you see your sister here, Okenwa, is the love of my life. And I want to live the rest of my life together with her.
Carry on. No problem. What a grip we have here.
Cheers to a new life.
What a grip we have here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is not possible.
I saw them with my 2 eyes. They're in Chidi's house as we speak.
What? How can that be possible? Because Chidi that I know will never sit with Okenwa. Talk more of going to his house. Are you sure of what you saw?
My eyes cannot deceive me. I know whom I saw. Okenwa. Afumia.
Hi. That means they are together in this. Chidi one name.
I don't know now. That's the only conclusion we can draw from it.
Cheruguri. It is sure of what you saw. Are you sure of this?
With my koro eyes, I saw Okenwa in Chidi's house. I know what I saw. I know. Ozim walking for.
Hi.
Must you believe every rumor of before Buna Warogi Quata? Ichefuzi no sisi puchiru sonana rabama. Obana wate suroke. Not everybody wish you well. Not everybody wants you.
Gileka, what is it that you said you want to talk to me about? As you can see, I'm going to the mechanic to check on my car.
I won't take much of your time. It's about your wife.
What about her? Wait, I hope she didn't send you here to come and talk to me.
No, she doesn't even know that I'm here. Obidike, I only came to tell you that you're being misled. Udoka was and is still faithful to you. The pictures you claimed you saw in her phone, Natachi snapped them the day Abuchi was teaching her how to handle gun for hunting. When you left for the city, Aguba tried all he could to get her, but she resisted. That was when he made a promise to her that he was going to destroy her marriage. Please, think about it. Che Yanuche. That's all I came here to tell you. Go in.
Must you believe every rumor?
I'm sure that she sent you to come and talk to me. Women can't deceive me again.
I did what I should do by telling him the truth. So whatever decision he takes now is entirely his.
Going to his house is like going to beg him, while the old takings are around the corner. So we're going to stay clear from him and every other person until that day.
I only did what I should have done before now.
Udoka, please take it easy, okay? Crying will do you more harm than good. Don't worry. The truth must prevail. Okay? Take it easy, Biko. No? No, please take care of her. Let me go check my truck.
It's okay now. You should not be crying. It's okay.
I told you not to worry, that I will handle everything perfectly. See, if she does not die with that baby in her womb after swearing, know that my name is not Ihwa. Trust me.
I was scared when they said we were going to swear.
Why would you be scared? You don't need to worry. I'm in control of everything. You're not supposed to do that. I did not even know that the separation will be so easy for you. And to add to that, you did it, you handled it single-handedly. See, I will reward you after everything.
You reward me?
Grease your palms in a big way.
I can't wait. I can't wait. You will grease my palms.
Trust me now.
You will grease my palms.
I will. I must do that.
I can't wait.
Now, we have to celebrate our victory in advance. What will you take?
Anything, anything. Even if it's kaka, I don't mind. I want to have
Let me inform you. Before going to swear, I will give you Ndabui so that you will be free.
Ndabui? So don't give me the Apurachiana again. Bring the Ndabui. 2 shots. 2 shots
of Ndabui. I will give you both Ndabui and Apurachi. And I will even add Kai Kai and Anunchi.
Let's bring the Ndabui.
Don't worry. I know what you like. So let me bring it.
2 shots. 2 shots. Hey. Ndabui.
Must you believe every rumor? Before Buna Warogi Water. It's Jeffusi no
Babe, what is it you want to tell me that you can't tell me inside?
I overheard your mother congratulating Aguba for breaking up Udoka's marriage.
What?
Keep quiet.
Are you sure about this?
Yes. I never knew your mother was against her marriage until today. She's backing up Aguba with Ndabuyi, and you know what that means.
Hey. Okay, babe, promise me. Promise me you will not disclose this to anyone else. Let it be our little secret, not one word.
Must you believe every rumor? Before Buna Warogi Water.
Hey, Obidike. You know, this is the kind of drink we rich men drink in the city. We take it every morning. When I was in Maputo, you know, Maputo is the capital of Mozambique. You know Maputo is the capital of Mozambique. When I was in Maputo, I used to drink it. This is my drink. Maputo, Mozambique, yeah.
Aguba. Well, you see, for people like us who have traveled far and wide,
yes, sir.
When you take drinks like this, why would you not be looking fresh and new?
I'm asking you.
See, the problem I have with you people here in this village is that you people eat unbalanced diet. What we eat over there in overseas, balanced diet, full of nutrition.
They don't eat balanced diet here. No! But I'm not like them. I'm not like them. No, I eat balanced diet.
You do?
Yeah. I was born on the 3rd of December 1972, 53 years old. And I look this young. I look 30. Handwork of what? Balanced diet? I do that.
Well, I think the problem we have here is that we eat more of starchy food.
Yeah.
And that is affecting our system. That's why you see our reasoning. Everything about us is depression. You know, we need to have timetable for food and timetable for drink.
Obidike, I don't think that is possible here in this country. You see, let me even tell you, let me educate you the more. If you travel to overseas, you see the environment there is even a plus. Why would you not smile when there's money in your account? When the environment, the government is taking good care of you. You see, the problem we have here in Nigeria is that our youths are depressed. They are filled with anger and depression. I am telling you honestly, even our uniform men, the so-called uniform men, are not even doing better enough for this country. If you travel overseas, even as a guest, they will take good care of you. The government are responsible for you. They will take good care of you. So why would you not be dying in a country like this?
No, Okanwa, I understand you perfectly well, because I've been there.
You have?
An international man. Okay. I've traveled far and wide, and I'm a Garere. I've been there. But you know, Africans, we are not what countries. You don't compare us. We can't place Africans and the Western world on the same pedestal. But I know something. Okay. I know something. One day, it will get better.
Aguba, stop giving yourself that hope.
No, I like your belief.
You know, while we were growing up, they said that we are the future leaders of tomorrow. And tell me, now that we are old, who are the leaders of today?
Okay.
Is it not the same set of old people?
Okay.
They are still the one ruling us.
Aguba, these are the same set of old men that doesn't want to leave power for the younger generations.
Yes.
I am telling you, what do? They enslave everybody. Do you know what they even do? One old man would take 20 advisors.
Okay.
Not just advisors on governmental issues. I don't know if you understand. But personal advisors. And at the end of the day, we the taxpayers will pay for this thing. So tell me how this government will work.
And to add to that, any man who hire 20 people to advise him, does that person have a brain?
He's brainless.
They should give way for the youth to stand in. Everything will turn around. You will see this country fast growing, economical growing, everything.
Okay, Mwa. I think I'm on the same page with you. You made a whole lot of sense. These people have been dealing with us. That our juggler. Is it? was in Maputo, things were moving on fine. Maputo, Mozambique. You have been to for Maputo? 18 years, though. You? I lived there for 18 years.
Agoba,
the capital of Mozambique.
Agoba, let's leave that. You and I know what's up. Agoba, leave that alone. Okay, let's.
You and who know what's up? Agoba, I don't know any what's up.
Agoba, you. Agoba, relax now. We know what.
So you are doubting me. You are doubting that I lived in Maputo for 18 years. Well known, Agoba Denko. Sharp and dangerous. They know me in Maputo. Go and ask about me. Agoba Denko.
Agoba!
Agoba!
Well monitored!
Budget works.
He is still a young and charming young man. And very rich above all. If this young man asks for my hand in marriage, I will accept it with full chest.
Oju, let me ask you. Don't you even mind what people will say?
Does it matter? People must always talk. See, she doesn't expect us to be single to the end of our life. So please.
It is only a fool who will depend on feeding from another woman's cooking pot. I pity the both of you.
Easy.
What's wrong with Ginika?
Are you asking me? Madness. Madness comes with different styles. In her own. Odile. Natural.
Yeah.
Hi, bro.
Must you believe every rumor of before?
See? Now that you have taken a stand, I will surprise you. I will convince Obidike to marry you.
Hey!
It's a small thing now. You don't know Agoba. A small thing. You see, let me tell you, I will make sure that Obidike marries you in a grand style. He's my friend, my bosom friend. He's the boy, David and Jonathan.
Jello, Ago, please, you mean you will tell Obidike to marry me? Like, you make him to notice me?
Not only that, he will marry you. But before then, you know now, if you scratch my back, I scratch your back. Nah,
Ago, okay, just tell me what to do so that Obidike will notice me.
Very small something, as small as an ant. Very small thing. I know you can do it.
Of course, anything.
Just grace my bed. I want you to warm my bed, and Obidike will be all yours. Not yours forever.
What for? I can give you money or any other thing, but asking me to grace your bed, Mbano, or do not possible.
Oh, no problem. But I'm afraid that's the only option left.
Ago, I know that you're joking, Just tell me, if it's money, ego balaba, ego sirike, I'll give you.
You give you?
Just tell me.
See, are you ready to do what I asked you to do? I'm a very busy person. You should have told me you are not yet ready to marry a demon.
Calm down.
Don't waste my time, I'm a busy man. Are you ready to do what I asked you to do? Can you hear me?
It's not as if I cannot do what you want me to do, but I didn't expect it from you.
As a Reverend Father Kogan, I'm your uncle. A happy uncle. Come, I'm not here for this.
Okay. When do you want it?
Right here, if you're ready. I'm a worker. I'm not going I'm Piaga to go the gym to give baby. Now, even they pick a pin. It's in Nazo where. Don't know, can move. I'm in charge. Let's go. You need. Where are the back?
Shameless girl.
Can you not anymore?
You're a very shameless girl. So you think this fool here will help you get your friend's husband? Ha! Jew, I never knew you were this cheap.
Who is a fool? Gineka, who is a fool? What are you doing inside the bush if you are not a bush rat? It is only bush rats who have business in the bush. Rabbit. Bodomot. Eh? See, I will not have you insult me. I will not have you insult me. Don't you dare insult me in my very before. I get angry easily. I am temperamental. Ask about me.
I've already done that. Kifi Yeme. What will you do? Oh! You think I'm Udoka, who you destroyed her marriage because she refused to sleep with you? Look at this face. Makiaya. Nekwirua! Unless no bro mo abu ginika. Makiaya Korea. Unless no bro mo. I will be the one to end your terror and wickedness in this village. Iya Fujanya.
Rabbit.
As for you,
Rabbit.
Uju.
Rabbit.
Mama mi finger wage.
Rabbit.
I don't know what I'll tell you. Managi. Kuraka Chene.
Mind your business.
Kuraka Chene.
Don't mind her. Rabbit. Leave. Dwarf.
Karombi. What Torobobi? You don't carry your friend.
Let's get inside. Eh? I'm charged already. Let's get inside.
You're charged.
Don't you want to marry a dream man again? Expose you like eh? What's wrong with all these guys? I don't know them. I don't know them. Geneka! Anyway, no problem. No problem. I'm looking for my trouble. No problem. Geneka, go.
Obidike. Those two, they are ready. Those two, they are ready. They sound so confident as if they are innocent.
How?
I sent Onwa to go and verify. He came back telling me that they are ready. But from all indications, I believe they are innocent. Because no one, no woman in their present condition will accept that oath taking, knowing fully well the consequences attached to it. Keke Sophia.
Ichie, there's something that we need to understand here. You see, when you caught someone doing something, he or she will try to say, I'm innocent.
To deny, yes, of course.
And we can only prove that by an oath taking. The OBDK that you know must get to the root of all this. You see, Aguba will not just come out talking. Eh? And he said I should go to her phone. I went to her phone. I saw how Abuchi was holding her, cuddling her, my wife. A woman I left under his care. I took Abuchi as a brother. Eh? Okay. All along, my wife was not pregnant. Only for me to come back and she's telling me that she's pregnant, and I was seeing the pregnancy, believing, hoping that is my child. Ichie. They will take that oath.
Let us go.
Let's go to my house. Let me give you a cola.
They will take that very oath. They will take it. As I told you, they are ready. They will take the oath.
Must you believe every rumor? Before Buna Warogi Water. Ichefuzi Bosisi Puchiros on another Bama. Obana Wate Suroke, Obasasio.
I said it. I said it. Abushi is using juju. And it's not ordinary juju. Okay, it's an evil. There's nothing anybody can tell me. Huh? This early morning. Abuchi Onyogu. This early morning. Anyway, there is nothing to fret about. Tomorrow is around the corner. Ishi Koyeme. I will be the only hunter in this village after he must have been killed by Ibekan. Abuchi, rest in peace in advance. Mankata, a very local man. Idiot. For 5 days.
Must you believe every rumor? Before Buna Warogi Water. Ichefuzi no n'osisi kpuchiri ụzọ na naraba mma ụkpana nwata ezuru oke ọbasasị ọkụ. Not everybody.
What do I call this? Eh? For 5 days now. 5 days. I have not made a single cash. Also, I bought you. Mom, man, come on, huh? This is not ordinary. This thing is not ordinary. But I will do something about it. 5 days. 5 days. 5 days. There is nothing anybody can tell me. Nothing. Obidike, there is nothing you can tell me. Abuchi is using juju. He is using juju to catch those animals. Obidike, you and I know I am the best hunter in this village. When it comes to hunting, nobody comes close. Award-winning Obanta.
And Agoba, huh? There is something I want to ask you.
Okay, go ahead.
And I want you to give me a direct answer.
Go ahead.
You said that you are sure that my wife is cheating on me.
Yes, of course.
With Abuchi.
With Abuchi? Abuchi has dealt with your wife. If I were you, I would be crying by now. The ingredients are all gone. Your wife is now dump of refuse.
So, you are ready to swear before any oracle?
I'm ready. If you want it now, I'm ready. In fact, let me tell you something. I am ready to swear to end all these atrocities in this village. I'm a clean guy, very clean.
Agoba, I'm saying all this because I want to be sure that you know what you're saying. Let it not be that you're just saying it in order to hurt her.
Hurt who? Hurt who?
Or to get at her.
Hurt who? See, let me tell you. What I said before now, I am still saying it here and now. Udoka is having extramarital affairs with Onye Abuchi. Obu Obroko can appear. Mchadi kono oko. Udoka. What's supposed to be in a hotel? What am I saying? Abuchi? Oh, my.
Agoba. Agoba, look, we're trying to save lives here. We don't have intentions of losing either of you. Are you sure of what you're saying, or you have intentions of getting at my sister? Open up now, Kamala.
Getting at who? Get at who?
Same reason I called for this meeting.
Get at who?
I want to be sure that Agoba is sure of himself. That let it not be when we get to the shrine, Agoba will now start another thing.
Let it be today.
He's willing to swear.
Let it be today. So, let it be today. I'm ready.
You've seen it that your sister is cheating.
It's obvious. It's conspicuous, even to a blind entity. In fact, let it be today. I want it to be today. I go back on the old taker. Obese. You don't have anything. Even if it's Kaika.
I do have something.
To step down. You know, we just had a meeting now. Meeting up over meeting. Kaika or anything.
I have whiskey.
Whiskey?
Yes.
I was even thinking about that. Headache action Peter's morning. Let
me get you whiskey.
You got me whiskey.
Must you believe every rumor? Before Buna Warogi Water. Ichefuzi no sisi puchiru so na rabama. Obana wate zuroke obasas.
Ginika. Ginika. Gina, are you okay? I'm not.
Is it the baby?
No, my husband. I just saw him in my dream, begging me. Do you think that will ever happen?
Yes, real.
Of
course, he will definitely come to beg you. He'll come around.
But I'm innocent.
No.
Clinic, I'm innocent.
Udoka, you don't need to say it over and over again. I know. That is why I am here with you. Let's go back to sleep, okay? It's okay now, Udoka. Don't start again. No. Don't start again. It's late. You wake the neighbors. Supposed to go to sleep. Go back to sleep now. It's okay.
He should come, oh.
He will come.
He should come.
He will come now. Udoka, don't be afraid.
Love is so special thing. Now my love, oh, baby. Love is so special thing. Now my heart,
There is no need for you to be afraid. Huh? You see, Udoka, she must confess. Else, whatever that comes out of it, she will bear it with her head. You see that girl? She's a very big disgrace to this our family. She took after her useless, worthless, shameless and stupid mother. Eh?
Mama, be it her or whoever, whoever is responsible will confess.
Babe, I'm just worried about what will be the outcome of the child in her womb.
Did I not tell you that she took after her useless, worthless mother, late mother? I said it. Her mother was so secretive when she was alive that she carried all the bad things she did. She concealed it and carried it to her grave. But you see this time, her daughter will bear the consequence. She will not go scot-free. She must answer to everything that she has done. Mama. You see, Christmas.
Are you going with us or not?
I should go. I will come later. Come with Christmas.
Let's go.
If I were to be in her shoe, I will confess and face the shame than face death.
You don't conclude yet. What if she's not guilty of what we thought?
Ojo, you and I know that. She must have done it with Abuchi. She can't be innocent. Let us say the truth and shame
Just
the
shut up. Shut up, let's go.
Go where? Abeko, I don't want to watch that evil girl die before me. Go now. She's your friend. Let's go. We're going.
Of course I'll go.
Udoka, what are you thinking about?
Nothing. Honestly, Abuchi is a sweet soul. I never knew a guy could be this nice.
I hope it is not about what he told you about earlier. He only said that to make you happy.
That's a lie. He meant every of his words. And I believe him. Anyways, once I'm done with the oath taking, I am breaking up with Sobitike. And that's final. Yes, I'll break up and move on with my life.
Hey! Wait, so you've already made up your mind to accept Abuchi to father your child?
I didn't say that though. Even as that, Abuchi is a good man. He deserves the best. I wish he could just, get himself a good wife. He's a good man.
You're right. He's a good man. And he will get a good wife. Akuya, can we go inside?
No, I'm enjoying the fresh air. Go and finish up with what you're doing in the kitchen.
Okay.
This is the sacred land of Ajani. Anyone that knows that is lying, better say now or remain silent. Ajani, it's time! Aguba, come forward.
As if you don't mean, I say Aguba.
Come forward. Come and swear.
Swear?
Aguba!
Is this sounding, is that still sounding Madam Isabella in your ear? Is that Aguba they are calling?
Aguba. Aguba,
come and swear.
Aguba, come and swear now.
Aguba, swear.
Swear?
Swear. Or do you want me to go and swear first?
Do the first.
Should I? No, if they call, they are calling
Aguba!
you. You go and swear. I'm calling your name.
I will confess. I will confess. Abuchi is not dating a dog. I lied. It was just jealousy, you know. I wanted to marry Udog, but Obitike went behind me and got married to her instead. Hi. It was all jealousy. It was all jealousy. It was all jealousy. I'm so sorry. Find it. Find a place in your heart.
There's no place again.
To aid is human, and to forgive is divine.
We
are brothers, so forget us.
Hey! What did I do wrong? You destroyed my marriage.
I did not. Jealousy.
The gods never lie. Justice has been served.
Excuse me, please. That is a serious crime.
I know.
And we will not back off on this oath taking.
Yes. You are right. Oath taking.
For a married woman to dent her own image and betray the love her husband has for her is something that we cannot.
Yes.
For that reason, Aguba, you must swear.
Yes. Swear, Aguba.
You must swear. You must swear. I have confessed already.
Swear.
You must swear. You destroyed my marriage. You must swear. Swear. You must swear.
Why?
What did I do to you? You destroyed my marriage. I thought you said we are friends. I find a place in your heart to forgive. There's no place in my heart again. You must swear. Swear and die.
Swear.
Swear.
Christian. You're a born again Christian. Mba, you must swear. You read your Bible. You read your Bible. No. Swear. Swear and die. You must swear. Yes. That thing you said that day. Say it again here.
Yes.
Okay.
Swear.
Envy and jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you love me.
Nobody is after me. I was rushing to conceal you. The truth is finally out.
But what truth are you talking about?
My sister, the case between Ifed, Udoka, and the Abuchi.
What? Has she finally confessed?
My sister, I was as shocked as you are. The case turned around. It was Aguba that confessed.
What?
Yes.
What do you mean?
What do I mean? I told you she might be innocent, but you doubt me. Huh? Now the truth is out. What do you have to say?
I don't believe you.
You don't believe me? You must believe me. Oh.
Wait, who confessed? Who confessed?
Aguba confessed.
Aguba?
Yes.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me?
I don't trust you.
Oh yeah, go to the palace. You'll see them.
I'm going there.
You are going there? Keep going.
Mama, have you not done enough? What is this she has done that you cannot forgive her? No, don't stop me. Don't stop me. When you're not there at the shrine.
Stop it, can't you see she's crying?
So what? When you're not there at the shrine, didn't you hear when Aguba confessed that she hired him to damage Udoka's marriage? I wish I could just strangle you. You're such a wicked mother. That's the height of wickedness. You're so wicked. Very, very wicked. I cursed you the day you presented me. You're such a wicked mother.
He's going to come back to apologize to you, okay? I think he's very angry right now.
Envy and jealousy has fooled you.
He got what he deserved.
You see, banishing Aguba is not the problem. Obedike believed him, even while we went to swear.
You know, that is human for you. Once you people hear that your wife cheated in a couple, people lose it. So, I don't really blame him.
If I don't blame him, then who will I blame? Who will I blame? If a man doesn't love or trust his wife, then who will he trust? Tell me. You see, sometimes it's good for some things to happen, so you know who is who. Because I know she loves cassava.
Gineka, Biko, you know you are the only person that will help us talk to her. Because we disappointed her when she needed us most. Biko, oh?
Yes, Gineka. It's not as if we believe she did it all. But as girls, there's this saying that said, show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. So, please, just help us.
Ijoma, you see, if it's for only you, I will not give you a listening ear because you're not a good friend. I
know I've not been a good friend to you all, but I was just being careful, please. Help us now. Please.
Well, I will not speak on her behalf. If I get home, I'll tell her you people said you're sorry.
Thank you, Ime. Ginika, can we follow you to the house to see her?
No. Mba. Don't worry, I will tell her that you people will come and see her later.
Okay.
Please tell her. Why Abiko?
Okay.
It's not as if I really needed her forgiveness. So. Besides, I'm not a good bad that wronged her.
Ijoma, you're a very wicked girl. You're not a good girl at all. Are you supposed to talk? You're not supposed to talk now.
I beg.
Because
I don't need it.
Udoka and I have been there for each other all this long. The only person to blame here is Aguba. I don't know why people don't like to be happy for others. God.
Ginika, she has said it all. See, we're only here to resolve matters. Let's little stuff like this not make, two lovers go different ways. Help us talk to Udoka so she should come back to her.
Ginika, Biko. And what are you doing in my compound?
Abuchi,
you're back. What are you doing in my compound?
Abuchi, I come in peace. I only want you to help me talk to my wife. She should come back to me. I love her.
I am going back in there. And before I return here, let it be that you've left this compound. I do not want to see you this.
Abuchi, forgive now. Forgive. Just allow my wife to come out here and attend to me. You should call my wife. Let my wife come out here. And... You should come and forgive me.
Udoka told me that you will be the godfather of this baby. Manoya didn't make Babu the father.
Yes, Kambabu the real father. So Kambabu as the God's father.
Biko, please. For the sake of the unborn baby.
Why is she talking about man? The guy you go munchinanya. Where are you based munchinanya? Come what here? Yeah? Wow. What kind of rubbish is this now?
It's okay.
Next time, manze kwaka. Manze kwaka. Manze aka. Next time, manze kwaka. I do not want to talk anything about this, Chidi. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to say anything about this.
But it's fine. Your anger is justified. Huh? I'm also not in support of this. I don't even know why my mother is so angry at Doka. Huh?
Why is Obidike listening to gossips? Why then did he ask me to take care of his wife while leaving the village? Eh? Must he listen to what people are talking about? What is this now?
Abuchi.
Eh? Abuchi, have I done any wrong? By taking care of Obidike's wife?
Abuchi, listen, I trust my sister. I know she will not do such a thing. She needs him. Even the unborn child needs the father. Yeah, Abuchi, Biko. Biko, my brother, Putu. Forgive.
There are a lot of girls in this village. Why should you be my friend's wife that I will have something to do with? Why should it be? Ah, God. Well, the decision is not mine. Okay? She decides on what she wants, and then that's fine. She's inside. What is it?
Where? Go.
What happened?
She, this mother, fell at Mbara Umweze.
What happened?
She wants to confess she's dying. I don't know. She's
inside. Go on.
Let's go.
Fast.
Call Udoka.
Nobody call Udoka.
My time is on.
What is happening to my
body is
mother?
on fire. My body is on fire.
Nothing is wrong. You'll be fine, Mama.
Udoka.
Mama, you'll be fine. Udoka. Simonu. No one else on Udoka.
Udoka, I'm sorry.
Sorry?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what, Mama?
Udoka, I'm sorry.
Mama, sorry for what?
I'll confess. Udoka, I'm responsible for your mother's death.
Hey!
Your mother was my best friend, but my husband married her against my will. So, he loved and respected her more than me, the first wife. I got jealous of her and killed her.
Hey!
Hey,
I'm sorry. You reminded me of her. Whenever I look at you, you remind me of her. I see her in you. So I promised myself that I must deal with you, that you must suffer, and I will make sure you die. I was on my way to Ajua no strike. When your late mother's spirit struck me. Look at her! Look at her! She is here! Look at your mother! Hey! Please! Hey! I want me to go! What do we do? Please forgive me!
Mama, why are you so wicked and evil? Why?
Adoka, please forgive me! Adoka!
Please forgive my
I'm
mother.
okay. Adoka, forgive me!
I don't want to lose her. I don't want to lose her.
My body is on fire.
Mommy, you'll be fine. Sorry. Mommy, you'll be fine.
Udoka, please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me, please. Udoka, please forgive her.
For me. Udoka, please forgive her. Udoka, please forgive her. I don't want to lose my mother. I don't want to lose my mother.
Hey, Mama,
Mama.
Mama, wake up. Mama, wake up. Mama, be there. Mama, be there. Papa. Mama, stand up. Mama, stand up. Mama, go down. Mama, don't go anywhere. I don't say that. Mama. Hey,
Mama, please bring back my mother.
I said I'm forgiving.
Bring back my mother.
Say something.
You don't need to cry. Come back to your husband. Please. I need you and my child.
You need to come and hold me. Let me
you and my unborn child. I need you. Udo, please.
Help.
Forgive me. I was deceived by Agoba. You should know. Please forgive me.
Me alone. Have I not wanted you to stay away from me? I don't have any business with you. The only thing connecting us together is this baby. Once this baby is born, I'm done with you.
Leave me alone.
Be
careful. You can't say that. Me and Abu, talk to her. She's my wife now.
I'm not your wife.
You're my wife. Please.
Not everybody wants you.
Sorry.
Sisi puchiru sonanara bamba Obana wate suroke Obasasi oku. Not everybody wish you well. Not everybody wants your progress. Oh, I know na kechuku. Oh, I know na kechuku. Ndinti serika. Ndimmebi rika. Don't fall for that trap. Don't fall for that trap. Oponye welu goneju mwane mohoko kamjuo. Kasiri wata bupu aje. Asiya no yerendi mo. Can't you be reasonable? Can't you think? Are you not seeing the handwriting on the wall? Onye maybe she go anu ijiji esobeya. Be wise. Chiru pucho be fedi na mbiri. Be wise yo, mama. Not everybody wish you well. Not every